www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2008 Chevy 2500 Quad Cab 4-wheel drive riding on a 4 brand new Falcons, under factory warranty through 7/1/13. CD player, keyless entry, alarm, Nerf bars, Rhino bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Gibson Truck World prides itself on the extraordinary lengths every member of its staff devotes toward making your used truck look and feel like new. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States. 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of